Good morning. Today on the bench we have this Akai GX-75 mk2. This came from one of the customers, and he told me that there is a problem with the device. First one is that the door doesn't stay on, and the second one I do not understand what he meant, but let's just try to turn the device on and let's see. Okay, so straight away doors are not closing, and also what I can hear is that direct drive motors are going very fast. That is not good. Let's try to dig in, and maybe we will find that issue that is causing this kind of behavior. Also, let's remove the door, and okay, let's check those. Okay, so as I can see, those are not frozen, so that is a good sign. So let's, I think, open device, and we will see what do we have. Maybe straight away we'll see something wrong. Okay, so till then. Okay, so I have opened device, and straight away what I found out that there were just problem with tape speed adjusting potentiometer. As soon as I a bit wiggled it, direct drive motors are not going crazy. Yeah. Second thing, what I see that there is some broken connectors straight away. Yeah. So these we'll have to address. Also, this customer asked to quartz lock his device, so we will do this, and in this repair process. Right now, let's remove tape transport and let's service it. To remove tape transport, as you remember from earlier videos, we have to remove 2 screws from the top. There will be 2 from the bottom, but we will have to unscrew the bottom plate. Yeah, this plate. Okay, so let's start unscrewing everything. Oh, you can hear it. It started to go nuts again. Yeah. So there is definitely a problem with this potentiometer. Yeah. Okay. You see? Just a small bump and it starts to go crazy. Okay, so let's start repair process. We'll start from the tape transport. I will remove this, and I will see you then. So I have removed tape transport. Here we have it. So let's start repair process. Also, what is the difference between GX-75 mk1 and mk2? Is that mk2 has door with this kind of vibration absorbing cassette stabilizer thing, yeah. And regarding the mechanics, and also this motor is different, it is much quieter. And regarding the heads, those heads are now separate, and you can adjust recording azimuth also as playback azimuth. So there is much more adjustability, you know. Actually, I don't know history of this device, if it was in the service or wasn't, but straight away what I can see that belt, a main belt for capstans are changed, and it's not original. As I can see, it is from some kind of manufacturer that I do not know, some tracker, belt drive, whatever it is. I think it is this one is 4mm, and I like to put on those Akai's 5mm belts because they were I think original, yeah. Okay, so let's not waste our time and let's proceed with it. Straight away what I can see is that those are not freezing, so it's a good sign, but we will do that procedure of cleaning them. I have seen how one of the technicians in the YouTube broke this post of pinch roller. What I can say, you have to be very careful when you're removing those screws, and you have not to be like animal or whatever, yeah. Every time you're unscrewing something, don't use much force. These are very fragile devices, and you don't want to destroy them, yeah. Okay, straight away I can see there is some kind of silicone grease or whatever that is used. We will clean it and use lithium grease. Okay, so let's continue. We will clean this. Also, there is a washer on the bottom. Oh yeah, it is very hard. We will definitely replace the idler. And also, while we are here, let's not forget to oil the front bearing of that real motor. Very nice. Okay, so basically we almost finished with the front. What we can do, we can use this gauge to adjust supply pinch roller. Okay, so we finished with the front. Let's lock that screw. So let's go to backside right now. Let's remove those 3 screws. Okay, this belt looks kind of fine for me, but I think we will... Oh, it has some shape, not very terrible, but I think we will replace it. And about this, it is very stiff belt. I think we will replace it. Okay, let's remove the capstans. They're kind of okay, but let's clean them. Actually, straight away what I can see that this device was played a lot. Have seen lots of tapes in its life. Good. Now let's prepare the belts. Okay, so I have just installed new belts specific for this machine. So this the last thing I think that we have to do right here is to fix those thingies. Okay. So let me do that quickly. Okay, so I have done those. For this procedure I'm using just a bit of heat so that those things will spread here correctly, and now it is not moving. Good. So at this part let's use a bit of lithium grease right here and right here. Yeah. Let's not forget, just give a little bit of the oxide for this potentiometer. And we are actually almost done with this tape transport. Okay, so let's continue. Let's assemble tape transport. Okay, I'm so tired. This full day on this screwed up tape transport. So the customer said that he gave his device to service for his friend. As I can see, had absolutely no idea what he is doing. Okay, so let's try again. We have to lift that up more. So the door is not closing properly. If you are a new guy, just started to service tape decks, and you are looking into this video, please don't rush. Don't try to do anything too fast. These devices are not animals, no. Okay, so I will try if the door finally works. Okay, guess what? We're still here. This is that bracket that is responsible for opening and closing the door. Now Just look at this guy. I don't know, you can see it or not. It is bent. I don't know why, how it's supposed, how this can happen. How this can happen. Just imagine how much force you have to use to actually do this. Yeah, crazy. This is just crazy. I think I straightened it up. Straighten it up. I think this is gonna be straightened up, as you can see. Yeah. Yeah, now it's not budging, and oh, now it's gonna be fine. I hope so that this is the last time. Oh my goodness. Goodness. Okay, I will try to hook this up and we'll see. Okay, so update. Guess what? Now it properly closes tape in and it is not moving. Loads of time, but we managed to achieve good result. Yeah. Okay, so right now I'll just put this bracket into plate into tape transport. Okay, so the plate is in. Now I'll just zip tie all those wires. Okay, so done. Now I need some rest. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this back into the device and we'll continue in the future soon. Actually, very near future. Okay, till then.